Hey out there, you viewers to be named later. How we doing today? Well, this one, we gotta go back a bit, because this was part of a kit I bought last December. I've used it, bought another one, used some more of it. I even bought a third one and used that one. So now it's time to bring it to the channel. And yeah, you can still see some of the stuff from the shower and everything, but still. Alright, we've got Everyman Jack's 2-in-1 Daily Shampoo and Conditioner, the activated charcoal. If you're unfamiliar with Everyman Jack, look, that's really cool, because that's why we do these things, right? So if you are familiar with them, skip ahead about a minute, minute and a half, then we're going to get in the meat and taters of this video. You can find these products over at everymanjack.com. They are proudly made in the USA in a couple manufacturing plants around the country, and most of the ingredients that they put in their products, they source locally. And I think that's really, really cool. Now, they are the official cleaning product of that wonderful obstacle course race, Tough Mudder. So that's awesome in itself. I love the fact that they hit all the high points, and you see all those little things on the back, like vegan, cruelty-free, 50% recycled materials, blah, 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 all that fun stuff that everybody wants to see that's gonna make you feel good about buying a product is sitting right there. Now, the company name is based off an old English idiom that basically means group of men. So I think that's kind of cool, And a little bit of background on him. In about 2007, Rich Viola, the boss man, he set out to make better men's grooming products. Now, his first partnership was with Target. I think it was like his original 15. But what really, really changed his life, in about 2009, Oprah Magazine featured Everyman Jack's shave kit inside its favorite things section. And man, Rich's life just blew up from there. All right, now let's get to the fun stuff. You can find a bigger size of this for about 13.5 ounces. This was over the holidays, so it's only 8 ounces. Over on Everyman Jack's site for about $10. The kit I got this in that had body wash, activated charcoal, deodorant, and the shampoo here was about $24.99. And I believe you can even find that kit currently on Amazon. Now, let me show you some ingredients in here, because if you don't know how to use shampoo right now, there's nothing I can teach you in a YouTube video that's even going to remotely help, okay? So, there you go. If you guys really want to see, take a freeze frame. Alright. I like the fact that with the charcoal stuff, it gets in there with my oily scalp, and it really helps, clear it out and, take things out. It had a really... charcoal smell to it. I mean, it was clean, but it was when you open that bag of briquettes, that was the smell. No big deal. It got in there, it cleaned it, kept my scalp nice, because, I'm losing all my hair, and I keep it, pretty short anyway. And it did wonders while it was in there. Now, when I'm over on their web store, they basically have a lot of 5-star reviews, and I really didn't see, how many, but there was a lot. So... you take that for what it's worth. I don't know if Everyman Jack is editing out anything less than a 5-star. It's I call it the Gerber effect, okay? And you guys know what I'm talking about from my Affordable Knife series. But, like I said, there's not a lot I can do to talk about shampoo, and if you guys don't know how to use it, open the thing, squirt some in your hand, rub it in your head, make your head all lathery, soapy, rinse your head out, now you're clean. There you go. I broke it down to the paste eater level for us, okay? Oh, for you Marines out there, that's right, the Crayola crayon eating level. Matter of fact, for you Marines, drop a comment down below your favorite crayon. You never know, one day I might do a crayon giveaway pack. Just for Marines only, special Crayola episode. Yeah, I'm former Army, so I gotta pick on the devil dogs. Alright, now with all that fun stuff being said, I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever down below in the comments section. Have you used Everyman Jack before? Have you used their shampoo? Have you used their products? Have you had successes? Have you had failures? Overall, I'm kind of 50-50 with stuff I've used from Everyman Jack. Some of their body washes I've loved, some I've hated, some of their beard products are, why did you do this? And others are hey, that's kind of cool. But still. Alright. For you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say thanks so much for watching this video. I know we're doing things really differently here on the channel. I'm grateful that you're giving me your view time. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers of my channel who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do, and we'll see if we can't change the course of history of this channel. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, take a look right there You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube's going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at Everyman Jack's 2-in-1 Shampoo Conditioner Activated Charcoal. Woo! Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you are having a great day. I hope you're having a safe day, and I'll see you in the next video.